Hey y'all, it's your girl Tiana. I can only be me. Hey, 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 hey. Happy Sunday, y'all. Y'all already know that I am throwing down in the kitchen for this Sunday. I hope y'all are having a happy Sunday, a good Sunday, you guys, because I am. Welcome to all my new subscribers, and welcome back to all my old subscribers. Now, y'all, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then what are you waiting for? Go over and hit the subscribe button if you like my video. And if this video isn't enough for you, then go over to my channel and watch some of my videos and let me know what you think, okay? If you like it, then you subscribe to your girl, okay? When you subscribe, please do not forget to leave a comment down below to let me know that you have subscribed, or if someone have sent you or whatever. Only thing you have to say is I'm a new subscriber, and that's it. And I will welcome you to my family, okay? I just want to know each and every person that comes to my channel so I can greet you. That's all. Only thing you gotta say, I'm new. You ain't gotta say nothing else. I'm not gonna do all my Sunday dinner meals together. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tell y'all what all I'm cooking, and then I'll show you what I have cooked so far or whatever, and in this video. But what I'm gonna do is each dish is gonna be separated, so just in case you want to know how I do my cabbages, or just in case you want to know how I do whatever that I'm cooking, you can get that recipe to itself and don't have to watch a full video, a whole video, a long drawn out video. I want y'all to watch my whole videos, but some people don't like long videos, so I want to cater to everybody. It's kind of, they gonna be in between. They're not gonna be too short and they ain't gonna be too long. That's how I'm gonna try to keep them, okay? It's hard sometimes, especially when it comes to the editing and stuff. All right, so what we're cooking today is some lima beans, cabbages, roast, fried cornbread, and I'm gonna make some fried chicken, y'all. They just loving it. Anyway, so I'm making some of that, some lima beans, cornbread. I don't know if I'm gonna make some rice or not. Sometimes it be a little, I might make some rice. It seemed like a lot I was cooking, but once I went to telling you, I'm like, dang, I ain't making nothing, am I? But I am. It's just the things that I'm making, it takes a long time to make. So if you haven't seen it yet, I don't know how I'm gonna post it, but I did my roast in the crock pot this time. It don't taste no different when I make it, okay, from the crock pot to the oven, okay? So I'm gonna put the stuff, I had put my meat in the crock pot, so if you want to know how I did that, I'm gonna try to leave it above. And I have to do that so I can remember when I go back and add stuff. I have to, do that. So y'all just don't pay attention to when I be doing stuff like that or whatever. All that. Okay. Welcome back, you guys. My new and old subscribers. I love y'all. Each and every one of you. And thank y'all for coming. I just love talking to y'all, child. Honey. Here go grandma, y'all. You can say something.
Hey. And how y'all doing? And thanks for the ice in the bottom.
Ask them how they like that red alcohol.
How you like that red alcohol?
What you think about it? Tell them what you think about it.
Well, I think it's great. I've been losing that. I had to talk to Tiana to go get me some.
That's it. All right, y'all. So I got the lima beans on the pot. I'm about to get my cabbages on over here in the pot. I got my roast over here in the crock pot. Then I'm gonna make some fried cornbread for one of my subscribers that want to know how I make my fried cornbread balls, y'all. So I'm doing that for her. And then whenever I get everything close to being done, then I'm gonna make me some probably I'll make some white rice. Yeah. Let me show y'all about with these lima beans. They just boiling over here. Ain't got nothing in them yet. No seasonings, no nothing. I'm just boiling them and getting them to a certain doneness that I want before I start adding any seasonings to them because I don't want them to draw up from the salt and stuff like that and get tough and take even longer to cook. So I'm just letting them do their own thing with no seasonings. Just these turkey necks and these smoked neck bones that I have in them. And they is really, really meaty, y'all. I just wanted a bunch of meat in my neck bones today. Okay. Over here is just my broth, right? I told y'all, once you boil smoked neck bones, they give off all the flavor. None. All the flavors in the pot. So, what I did was I seasoned up my broth and everything for my cabbages. Alright, y'all. The lima beans is done. I can't tell y'all how long they cook because I don't even remember. I ain't even time them, y'all. But this the lima beans and they full of meat. Full of meat. Full of meat, yeah, y'all see them? They full of meat. I like mine with juice in them still though. I don't like no dry beans. Y'all see the beans? Y'all see them beans? Okay. All right, y'all. So now I'm about to fry my chicken. Okay. Try to get all these in here. So y'all, throughout the week, y'all just be looking out for the different recipes to what I have cooked. Okay? So if y'all want to see me fry some chicken, honey, I fry chicken all the time. I done did it before, but if you need to do it again, I will do it again because I fry chicken all the time. So just let me know. Only difference is that I don't season my chicken because everything that I need is already in my chicken, in my flour. All the seasoning is already in my flour. Hold on. But I would definitely show you how to do that if you want to see how to do that, okay? Okay, y'all, so this is the pot roast. I took the gravy and I poured it over and everything. And this is what it looks like. Y'all, that looks good, don't it? Ooh, child. Get your little piece, honey. Get your piece, honey. Y'all know how I do. I eat my fingers too sometimes. Just go and get your piece. I got no fork for you now. Just get your little piece off of that now. Go and get you a little piece. Okay. So that's not grease or nothing, that's just juice from the meat. When I had took it out that pan, it was just letting, it had juice and stuff there, so it's no grease on it, it's just the juice. But yeah, this is it right here, y'all. Welcome to everybody, and I hope y'all are having a blessed day and a great meal to put on that belly, honey, because we about to be in once I get this through. Look at them onions and bell peppers on there, y'all. Ooh, child, honey. What you say? See y'all later. Okay, so I done tasted them, y'all. Oh, let me let y'all taste it. I blowed it off for you. Y'all see it? You got some? Okay, what does it taste like? It needs some more seasoning, you think? Oh, they taste good? Okay. Hold on, let me see. They're good, y'all. Y'all know what y'all be talking about, honey. They good, child. Okay, so I'm gonna turn these off and let them sit back there because they are done. I told y'all it was already done from the get-go, so ain't no need of, cooking them to a mush. So put that lid on them and turn them off, okay? So now that's it for the cabbages, all right, y'all? I want to thank each and every one of you guys for watching my video. This your girl Tiana. I can only be me. Y'all be blessed, okay? Be blessed, be blessed, be blessed. And don't forget, before you leave, to hit that subscribe button if you like this video, okay?